Electrotham established in 1983 to serve the steel industry, then foundries and the heat treatment sector mainly. Today it is diversified conglomerate with business in engineering and technologies. Our engineering and technology division specializes in designing and the manufacturing of induction melting furnaces as well as electric arc furnaces, metal refining converters, then high-speed casting machines, induction heating and hardening machines. Electrotham is known for delivering end-to-end solution, especially for steel melt shops, providing excellent pre and post sales. The company has also contributed in the some of the special R&D projects of government of organizations like ISRO, that is Indian Satellite and Research Organization. So, like we have contributed for the industries and globally also. The environment in steel industry is very dusty, so these devices should be rugged enough to take care of all environments and the conditions which steel plant is having. As well as we have our own engineering team. They need the easy graphics for development so that they can map the processes in steel industry and make it very easy for the operators operating in the metal industry. We implemented ET6000 and SP5000 series HMI as well as PS6000 series IPC, and also we utilizes softwares like Blue, GP Weaver along with Propace Remote HMI. These solutions have greatly enhanced our design capabilities, and it has really helped our engineering team to make it simple graphically also. Propace PS6000 IPC is a high-end rugged module, design IPC with wide range of processors like Atom, i3, i5 and i7. So best part of the Propace IPC is that it has a great extent of screen size, that is right from 10 inch to 22 inch, which is really good for the operators in the steel industries. They can see easily what are the visions, what are the write-ups on the HMI, what are the graphics on the HMI itself. For secure system, it is designed according to IEC 62443 standards also, and it is having onboard trusted platform. That is very important when design conceptual things are required. So that is how it is. Also, PS6000 is ATEX and Marine certified robust IPC which works in hard environment, which is the main requirement of steel metal industry. Propace IPC configurator is one of the best utility which helps my team to configure IPC as per the requirement of end user and order straight away to the Propace factory. So that's very good. Propace HMI is having more than 200 drivers, which helps my team to integrate with third-party devices, and same goes with my customer also. They can also integrate these devices with their SCADA and other systems. So using IPCs and HMIs from Propace, it helped me to control inventory at my end and across multiple applications also. GP Weaver and remote HMI applications are really good and user-friendly for our end customer to control and monitor the processes easily and almost for 24/7. In fact, we are already working on digital platform driven analytics, that is artificial intelligence based analytics integrated with HMI or maybe IPC. It will help us to predict demand patterns of various processes in metal industry. To be on the mark, Propace EdgeBox is a future-ready device which collects data without altering the essence of the data, without altering installed architecture, and does it help us to analyze the structures.